If you're seeing Smartsheet Error Code 1302 and you're not sure what's causing it, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through exactly how to fix Smartsheet Error Code 1302 and get your sheet working normally again. This error usually appears when you're trying to edit, delete, or modify data that Smartsheet is restricting for one reason or another. The good news is that it's almost always permission, dependency, or locking related, and we can fix it in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important checks. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Smartsheet troubleshooting guides. Let's get started. The first thing you want to check is dependencies. If your sheet has dependencies enabled, certain columns like start date, end date, duration, or predecessors may be automatically controlled by Smartsheet. If you try to manually edit or delete values in these columns, you can trigger Error Code 1302. To check this, open your sheet, click on the project settings or the gear icon, and look for dependency settings. If dependencies are enabled, review which columns are being controlled. You may need to adjust predecessor relationships instead of directly editing the cell. Next, check if the column is formula-based. If you're trying to change a cell inside a column that contains a column formula, Smartsheet won't allow manual edits. Click on the column header and see if there's a formula icon. If it says column formula, that means every cell in that column is controlled by that formula. To fix this, you can either modify the column formula itself or remove the column formula if appropriate. Just be careful, because removing a column formula will stop automatic calculations for that entire column. Now let's verify your permissions. Error Code 1302 can appear if you don't have sufficient access rights to edit the sheet. In the top right corner, click Share and review your permission level. If you are a viewer or commenter, you won't be able to make structural changes. You typically need editor or admin access to modify columns, rows, or formulas. If necessary, contact the sheet owner or admin and request elevated permissions. The fourth thing to check is whether the row or column is locked. Smartsheet allows admins and owners to lock specific rows or columns to prevent changes. If something is locked, you'll see a small lock icon. Try right-clicking the row number or column header to see if there's an unlock option available. If you don't see that option, it likely means you don't have permission to unlock it, and you'll need to contact the sheet owner. If everything looks correct so far, the next step is to refresh and try again. Sometimes this error can be triggered by a temporary sync issue or browser glitch. Simply refresh your browser, reopen the sheet, and attempt the action again. You can also try clearing your browser cache or opening Smartsheet in an incognito window. Finally, log out of Smartsheet and log back in. Session conflicts or expired authentication tokens can sometimes cause unexpected editing errors. Logging out fully and signing back in forces a fresh session and often resolves the issue instantly. So, to quickly recap, check dependencies, confirm whether the column is formula-based, verify your permissions, look for locked rows or columns, refresh the sheet, and if needed, log out and back in. One of these steps will almost always resolve Smartsheet Error Code 1302. If this video helped you fix the issue, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips, fixes, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.